Here's how an instant speech works. It's your key message followed by 3 brief supporting points, and then an absolutely the same reiteration of your key message. That's hard to do because you were all taught not to repeat yourself, right? But that's for writing, that's not for public speaking. For public speaking, they can't go back and look at what you said 3 pages ago. If they didn't hear it the first time, you have to give them a chance to hear it again. That's why your key message needs to be reiterated as your conclusion in the same words at the end. Now, don't get me wrong. If you're doing Q&A and they ask you 10 questions, you don't want to use this format 10 times in a row because you will sound like a robot. But it's a great thing to have a choice of using this format. It solves all the big questions in public speaking, which are, where do I start? How do I stop? And how long do I go on for? It solves all of those. It's right there. Let me give you some quick examples. This is about apples. Apples are the best fruit. They're crunchy, they're refreshing, they travel well. Apples are the best fruit. See how I drove that conclusion? That was a little bit exaggerated. I don't even like apples. I don't know why this is. I mean, I like them, they're okay, but blueberries are the best fruit.